Welcome back everybody to the Turbo Moose YouTube channel. Just wanted to say thank you to everybody for letting me reach 800 subs last week. Did a video every day of the week just to show my appreciation. So now I'm gonna go back to every other day or every 2 to 3 days. Right now I'm building a Laurel C35. One of those dream car builds. It's built on the Burner Jdm preset, so here you're just gonna see me do some suspension mods, trying to dial that in to make the car feel good. From there we're gonna bring it over to a modded track. We're gonna hit up Meihan, so hope you guys enjoy this one. Give it a like, give me a sub if you can, and even a comment, and we'll go from there. Thanks guys.